Hi. What you doing? What you doing? What could you possibly be saying? Yeah? Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, my. What happened next? The brother came to say hi. Yeah.
Let's get a picture, Mama.
Well, I'm doing a video. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you saying? Oh, yeah? What do you want to say? Huh? Tell me your story. What do you want to say? Oh. Poo-poo? What, Mom? What are you trying to say? Yeah, is that so? Really? Oh, yeah? Oh, well, I didn't know that. Tell me more. Tell me. Oh, yeah? Oh, that sounds very cool. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Tell me more. Oh, my goodness. That's it? That's the end of the story? Huh. Okay. No, it's not the end. Oh my goodness, I had no idea. Oh, don't get upset now. We can figure it out. Okay. I'm going to let Daddy know. Okay? Okay. You're getting upset. Is this really bothering you? What do you want to do? Are you watching the TV? Oh my goodness. Okay, well I'm going to let Daddy know, okay? Okay. 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 All right. We're going to go. Okay. Okay, here. Wawa. There you go.
Just gotta show what Cat does when she gets her nails clippy because it's really funny.
Ready? Let me see. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. One more. It doesn't hurt, Lucy. Stop, Lucy. Hello. Okay, one more. One more, Mom.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Was that fun? We all done.
What caused an Amtrak passenger train to derail? The crash killed 3, injured dozens more. Jennifer New Yorkland has the latest.
Piece by piece, the slow, delicate process of clearing the wreckage continues today. Train cars are hauled away for further investigation.
Dorothy, girl, you going to sleep? You want to take a nap?
You ready to get out and get cleaned up?
The National Transportation Safety Board continues.
Thank you. Oh.
Was that good? Oh my goodness, Riker. Sienna. Que é isso?
Olha o que o papai fez. Papai casou. Ó, papai casou. Papai casou.
Look at Abby. Abby, lie down. Where's she doing? Look at her tail. Look at Abby's tail. Look at her tail. Do you like that? Look at her tail. Look. Look at this dog. Look at your puppy dog. Look at your puppy dog's tail. Look at your puppy dog's tail. Daddy.